The universe is a vast and mysterious place. For centuries, we have gazed at the stars and pondered our place in the cosmos. We have sought to understand the fundamental laws that govern the universe. In the 20th century, a new field of science emerged that revolutionized our understanding of the universe: quantum physics. Quantum physics deals with the very small atoms, subatomic particles, and the forces that govern them. It is a world that operates very differently from our everyday experience. In the quantum world, particles can be in multiple places at once. They can exist as both waves and particles. The act of observation can influence the outcome of an experiment. These concepts may seem strange and counterintuitive, but they have been experimentally verified time and time again. Quantum physics is one of the most successful scientific theories ever developed. It has led to countless technological advances, from lasers and transistors to medical imaging and nuclear power. In the quantum world, particles are divided into two main categories: fermions and bosons. Fermions are the building blocks of matter. They include particles like electrons, protons, and neutrons. Bosons, on the other hand, are force carriers. They are responsible for the fundamental forces of nature, such as electromagnetism and gravity. Imagine fermions as tiny dancers, each wanting their own space on the dance floor. They obey the Pauli exclusion principle, which states that no two identical fermions can occupy the same quantum state. This is why electrons in an atom occupy different energy levels, creating the structure of the atom. Bosons, however, are more social dancers. They are happy to share the same quantum state. This allows them to clump together and form things like laser beams, where countless photons occupy the same state, moving in unison. One of the most mind-bending concepts in quantum physics is superposition. This principle states that a particle can exist in multiple states at once until it is observed. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. It is neither heads nor tails until it lands. In the quantum world, particles exist in a similar state of uncertainty until they are measured. This concept can be difficult to grasp, as it challenges our everyday experience. We are used to things existing in a definite state. However, superposition has been experimentally confirmed. For example, in the famous double-slit experiment, a single particle can pass through two slits simultaneously, demonstrating its wave-like nature and its existence in multiple states. Superposition is a powerful concept that has profound implications for our understanding of reality. It suggests that the act of observation plays a crucial role in shaping the world around us. Quantum physics, with its strange and counterintuitive laws, might seem a world away from the realm of human emotions and experiences. However, a new field of therapy, quantum integration therapy (QIT), seeks to bridge this gap using principles from quantum physics to facilitate personal transformation and healing. QIT proposes that just as particles exist in a state of superposition, so too do our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. We are not fixed entities, but rather fluid beings with the potential for change. QIT aims to help individuals tap into this potential, using techniques to shift limiting beliefs and access a state of greater well-being. This is where the concept of quantum integration comes in. Just as a quantum system can collapse from a state of superposition into a definite state, QIT proposes that we can consciously choose to collapse our own internal states, moving from a place of limitation to a place of empowerment. While the principles of quantum integration therapy may seem abstract, its proponents point to real-life examples of its effectiveness. Individuals who have undergone QIT report experiencing profound shifts in their lives. They describe feeling lighter, more at peace, and more empowered to create the lives they desire. One woman struggling with anxiety and self-doubt shared how QIT helped her to identify and release deeply held limiting beliefs. She discovered a newfound sense of self-worth and began to make different choices that aligned with her true desires. Another individual, battling the emotional scars of a traumatic past, found solace and healing through QIT, experiencing a release from the grip of their past and a renewed sense of hope for the future. These stories offer a glimpse into the potential of QIT to facilitate deep and lasting change. By tapping into the principles of quantum physics, QIT offers a unique and innovative approach to personal growth and healing. Section 6. The Science and Spirit of Healing. QIT stands at the intersection of science and spirituality, acknowledging the interconnectedness of our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves. While grounded in the principles of quantum physics, QIT also recognizes the importance of intuition, intention, and the power of the human spirit in the healing process. Critics of QIT argue that the connection between quantum physics and human consciousness is tenuous at best. They point out that the principles of quantum physics operate at a subatomic level and may not be directly applicable to the complexities of the human mind and body. However, proponents of QIT argue that consciousness itself may be a fundamental aspect of reality, as suggested by the observer effect in quantum physics. They believe that by understanding and harnessing the principles of quantum physics, we can unlock our own innate healing potential. Section 7. Unlocking your inner potential. QIT offers a toolkit of techniques and practices designed to facilitate personal transformation. These techniques often draw upon mindfulness practices, energy healing, and visualization exercises, all aimed at shifting limiting beliefs and aligning with a more empowered state of being. One key aspect of QIT is the concept of quantum reframing. This involves identifying and challenging negative thought patterns and replacing them with more empowering beliefs. By consciously choosing our thoughts and beliefs, QIT suggests that we can directly influence our reality. Another important element of QIT is the cultivation of quantum vulnerability. This involves embracing our authentic selves, imperfections and all, and allowing ourselves to be truly seen and heard. By releasing the need for masks and pretenses, QIT suggests that we can experience deeper connection and fulfillment in our relationships. Section 8. The Future of Quantum Healing. QIT is still a relatively new field, and much research remains to be done to fully understand its mechanisms and potential. However, the growing interest in QIT reflects a broader trend towards more holistic and integrative approaches to health and well-being. As our understanding of both quantum physics and human consciousness continues to evolve, it is likely that we will continue to discover new and innovative ways to apply these principles to improve our lives. The potential of QIT and other quantum-inspired therapies is vast, offering hope for a future where healing and transformation are accessible to all. While QIT may not hold all the answers, it offers a compelling invitation to explore the uncharted territories of human potential and to embrace the transformative power of quantum possibilities. Section 9. A Journey of Discovery. Embracing the principles of quantum physics in our lives is not about becoming experts in complex scientific theories. It is about recognizing the interconnectedness of all things and understanding that we are not merely passive observers in the universe, but active participants in shaping our own reality. The journey of QIT is ultimately a journey of self-discovery. It is about exploring the depths of our own consciousness, challenging our limiting beliefs, and stepping into a greater sense of who we truly are. It is about recognizing that we are all capable of profound healing and transformation, and that the power to create the lives we desire lies within each and every one of us. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the quantum world and the depths of human consciousness, we open ourselves up to a universe of possibilities, a universe where healing, transformation, and limitless potential are not just distant dreams, but tangible realities within our grasp. The journey awaits, and the invitation is open to all who dare to explore.